The Food Service Exchange presents.
So the idea here is you would stand on the side with the roller. So the roller can free float up and down. So it's not gonna press the product. A lot of people get weird because the roller is on this.
Yeah, it's not. Okay.
But you can see how it rolls.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And then roll it out on your table if you're gonna use a cutter by hand to cut it. Your triangles or squares or rectangles, whatever you're doing, so you can roll it out. Or at this point also, if you were having trouble because it was like gonna fall off the edge, you can theoretically work between the rollers. And what that means is you would take, while there's no roller, you would then take it this way, and you can feed it into the sheeter off of the roller. So if we were making something much longer, like you were doing a huge sheet for some reason, and you don't have the space, so you can